Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nedachina. At the end of the current week, investors will pay attention to the following macroeconomic events. On Thursday, the Bank of England will announce its interest rate decision for April. According to experts' forecast, the key rate would remain unchanged at the level of 0.5%. During the March meeting, the British Central Bank also decided to stand pat on its 0.5% benchmark rate. This record low mark has been kept for the 7th year in a row. The decision to maintain the low rate was taken amid a slowdown in the global economic growth and the future referendum on the UK's membership in the European Union. The referendum's outcome could have a negative impact on the pound's rate and the country's economy in general. On Thursday as well, the United States will release its March data on consumer price inflation. Economists expect a rise of 0.2% in comparison with the previous months and an increase of 1.1% on a yearly basis. In February, the consumer price index in the United States dropped by 0.2% compared with the preceding months, but grew by 1% year-over-year. The official said the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics noted that the reason for low inflation in the United States still was energy prices that slumped by 12.5% on a monthly basis and by 20.9% in annual terms in February. On Friday, the United States will end the trading week with the publication of the April data on consumer sentiment by the University of Michigan. Experts predicted that the consumer confidence improved to 92.3 points. In late March, the U.S. Consumer Sentiment Index made up 91 points, while analysts had projected a smaller rise to 90.5. In early March, a preliminary estimate stood at 90 points, which is a 5-month low. The decline was mainly due to rising fuel prices and mounting concerns over U.S. economic prospects. In addition to these events, the following data will be delivered at the end of the current week. On Thursday, New Zealand will report on its unemployment rate. The Eurostat will publish inflation data for the Eurozone. And the United States will release its statistics on jobless claims. Besides, the Bank of England will provide its monetary policy summary. On Friday, China will unveil its real GDP statistics and industrial production data. Moreover, the reports on manufacturing sales and existing home sales will see the light of day in Canada. It was a Forex Trader Calendar on InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nedachina. Stay tuned with us.